Hello and welcome to my shop. This video is about my shop. In 2020, I was able to add on to my house a 900 square foot hobby woodworking space. My aim with this series is to help someone in the design phases of a similar project by showing all the decisions I've had to make. So stay tuned. For covering the walls, I considered plywood, OSB, drywall, and T11, that composite siding material. And I went with plywood because it's kind of in the middle of the road of cost. Another advantage of plywood, of course, is that you can screw right into it for medium and light duty loads. And unlike OSB, it doesn't soak up a ton of paint. We put on one coat of a very inexpensive interior latex onto this stuff. And in a few places, you can see the wood come through where we weren't super thorough with our rollers, but overall, it looks just fine and it does a nice job of reflecting light back in. I found that the best way to install the plywood was to orient the sheets horizontally. That's how drywallers work. I went from bottom to top because it was far easier to maneuver the sheets lower to the floor. My ceiling is around 9'3", so that gave me 2 full sheets plus around a 12-inch strip around the top perimeter. And as for doing the layout on the wall, I'd recommend that for each wall, you take your tape measure and mark out all the seams ahead of time. That way, maybe you might be 20 feet in through a wall and then you'll wind up with a really funny seam that's like a 1/4 inch short of a trimmer or something goofy like that. So just take your time and use your tape and mark everything out, and you'll save yourself a lot of time. And also, you'll want to stagger your joists your joints to make sort of a brick pattern, just so it's not so ugly.